is the Buddha's birthday on Saturday. So this is a ceremony to clean the baby Buddha and to clean the problems in your heart. So you go up there, you clean the baby Buddha, and then you make a wish, and you can get a blessings from the Buddha. It's only once a year for the Buddha's birthday. This is free of charge, and they give you a souvenir, a cake, a Buddha cake, and then some holy water. You come and try this myself.